Hey, this is Ted over here at Patty Pack Honda. Listen, what I'd like to do today is talk about some of the standard features that you're going to get on the Honda CR-V EX and above. It's a remote start. Let me tell you, this comes very, very handy in your inclement weather. What it does is on cold days, you can have the car already heated up for you. On your hot, super hot days, you can have the car already cooled off. Here's what I want to do. I want to go over some of the procedures that you follow just to do the remote start and tell you the benefits of it and go over that. All right, first thing you want to do is you've got to ensure that the vehicle is locked. So what we're going to do is you got to press the lock button 2 times. That ensures the vehicle is locked. If there's another key in the car or anything like that, or doors open, it will not lock the car. So you have to make sure that all of your doors are closed when you get out of the vehicle and there is no extra key. So we press the lock twice. Then we're going to press right here where the little circle button is and hold. And you want to hold that down for about 2 or 3 seconds and let it go. And what you've done is you've remote started the car. Now, if you already have your climate control set, if you already have your heated seats on, you can have it already nice and warm for you in those cold days, nice and cool on those hot days. So you get into the car. Now, here's all you've got to do. As long as the fob is with you and it's within 36 inches of the car. Now, let me also explain to you too, the car is running, the AC is on, but none of the other stuff, the instrumentation is lit up. Now, here's how it works. If somebody else was to get into the vehicle and get in and touch anything, the vehicle will die because the key fob is not with it. All right, so here's a simple procedure. You have to walk up. The first thing you do is you just touch the handle. You just notice how the lights flashed here. That meant that it unlocked the door. You simply open the door. All right, so now what you want to do is just simply get in. If you notice, none of your other instrumentation's lit, but it does. So now what you're going to do is you can see right there in your instrumentation, it says right there to start the vehicle, you have to put your foot on the brake and press the start button. Once you do that, then all the rest of your instrumentation will light up. Okay, for safety precautions, I do want to tell you this, that you want to make sure that if you remote start your vehicle that is in a well-ventilated area, do not have your garage door closed and do a remote start. It's just not a good thing for you to do for simple fact of carbon dioxide. There's another thing that I want you to be aware of. If your car is not remote starting or you don't want to have it where it's engaged in remote starting, I want to go through that procedure with you too. Okay, so here's a procedure if you don't want it to remote start. Here's how you can cut it off in your personal settings. So what you'll do is you'll hit your home button. You'll go right here to where it says settings. Now you're going to go down here to where it says vehicles. Then you're going to go down here to where it says keyless access setup. And if you notice right there, it says your remote start system on and off. You can hit your remote start system. Now we have it engaged right now. If you want to turn it off, you just have to simply put yes. And you want to make sure that you select yes again. And that programs it where it won't remote start. So this is one of the standard features that's in all of your EXs and above and your CR-Vs. So if you have any questions or you need anything, just click on to the link below. We would be happy to answer any questions, or you can contact us at 601-957-3400 and just ask for Ted.